Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw a foot with rainbow nail polish and glitter. Let's start drawing. Let's draw a foot first with all the 5 toes, with beautiful nails. Let's draw a nail polish. Let's draw small clouds, then a rainbow. Now I draw the brush above it. Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the foot with this cream marker. For the nails, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. For the big toe, I use red. Then orange. For the middle one, I use yellow. Then green. Finally blue for the small toe. Let's color the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, I color the bottom and the top with this purple marker. Now we color the nail polish. I color the rest of the nail polish container with pink. For the brush, I use this aqua blue. And finally, mint. It's glitter time! Red glitter, brown glitter, gold glitter, green glitter, blue glitter, pink glitter. Let's blow! Wow! It looks so shiny with all the glitter! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!